other areas and they were killed there. What Israelis they are doing now, the Zionist regime in Israel, they are killing a lot of kids, and this is what many people also they got religious cover for this, and they want to do sacrifices with these Palestinian kids. They are killing kids. They want to terrorize Palestinian people. They want them to go. They don't want to see Palestinians anymore. We just want to stand, all of us, strong. We have to say to European Union that we want them to stand and to boycott Israeli goods, because what is happening, it is also with the support of European Union. All of us, we are sharing in these crimes in Palestine if we don't stand against this. What is happening is a real genocide. Many people, they don't have medicine. Many people also, they are dying in hospitals. They were attacking hospitals, they are attacking civilians, they are attacking schools, they are attacking United Nations warehouses. They don't allow medicine to come, they don't allow water, they don't allow food to come. We have, all of us, we have to stand against what is happening. You also, Slovenians, you were under occupation and you know how it is to be occupied. We are occupied for 67 years. We are not talking about a problem which happened 10 days ago or 20 days ago. Today is the 16th day for the last genocide. We want to stand against these crimes strongly, because Palestinians, they want to live in a free state. They want to have their own state. They want the refugees to come back. Our demands are clear. We want independent country which it's recognized by international community to live side by side with Israel. We want peace. We are not a people who want we are not terrorists, as they say. We are resistance. We resist occupation. We want our rights. We would like to have access to the external world. You know, Palestinians since 7 years in Gaza, they cannot travel, they cannot have medicine normally, they cannot live like you, for example, now, many people, we don't see here people in this demonstration because people are busy, they went to vacations, and also some people, maybe they are afraid. Or you don't have to be afraid, you have to stand for humanity, because all of us, this will happen, now it's happening in Palestine, it happened before. For Jewish themselves, it happened in Europe. But Palestinians, they should not pay for the mistakes which Europeans did. We have Palestinian Jewish. The problem in Palestine, it's not a religious problem. The problem in Palestine is a Zionist regime who is killing Palestinians. We have right to resist as all nations. You had Partizani, you were resisting occupation. Palestinians are the same. Your media is cheating you. Your media wants you to just to follow what it's already prepared. The reports are prepared. They are cheating you. They say to you that Palestinians are terrorists. We are not terrorists. We want to live free. We want to live like you, like any other person on this earth. We want peace. We want to live in peace in our land. They came to Palestine from Europe. They took lands, and we accepted that we live side by side with them. This was in 1948. But since that time until today, we see a state of Israel, there was a resolution by United Nations. It said that there should be a two states, a state of Israel and a state of Palestine. Now we see just a state of Israel, and we see refugees of Palestine, and we see Palestinians, they are dying and they are getting killed every day. And United States, they want to send 2,000 troops to Gaza. They want to send 2,000 troops to Gaza. It's not enough what Israel is doing. They want also to send the troops. And we are silent. We should, all of us, stand and say no for the genocide. My friend Matisse, he was in Palestine. He's a Slovenian photographer. And these photos, what you see here, they are children without legs. They were here in Socha. Your president, Danilo Turk, he brought them here. And he did very good project to rehabilitate them. Thanks to Slovenia for helping Palestinians. But we should also finish the problem from its roots. The problem is that every day we have more kids, they are losing their legs, they are losing their hands, and they are losing their lives. We should stop the Israeli occupation. We should support a Palestinian state. We should support the freedom for Palestine. Egypt also is sharing in this crime against Palestinians. Egypt is imposing a blockade with Israel against Palestinians. They don't allow medicine to come in. They don't allow Palestinians to travel. They don't allow doctors to come. We are really living in very bad conditions, and it is the longest occupation in history. You should not be a Muslim or Christian or Jewish to stand for this. You should be just human to stand and to say no for occupation in Palestine. You should understand also that the problem in Palestine is not a religious problem. Palestinians, we are Muslims, Jews, and Christians. If you believe that Jewish, they didn't find shelter in Arab countries, go to see them in Morocco. When you kick them out, you Europeans, you kick them out, and they are living now in Morocco, they live in Iraq, they live in Egypt, they got shelter from Arab countries. We should not, Palestinians, pay for the mistakes which Europe did, with also the Nazis did to them. We Palestinians, we are like everybody. We want to have peace, we want to live normally, we want to see our kids that they are going to schools, we want to see our kids that they are going to vacations, they are going to the sea. They killed our kids on the seaside. You saw live on videos, go to social networks. Don't watch RTV Slovenia. Don't watch the reports which are coming from Palestine, which make for you that there are two armies that are fighting each other there. It's not two armies that are fighting each other there. There are Israeli Zionist army, terrorist army killing Palestinian kids. Go to alternative media, you will see Palestinian kids are targeted by Israeli army. They target them and they kill them on the seaside. They didn't allow them to play. Our kids are dying. Our kids are dying every day. We have genocide in Palestine. All of us, we will be responsible for what is happening in Palestine. All of us, we will be responsible. It's our duty to stop what is happening in Palestine.